Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have two projects for you. We have a candle home decor, also a rose mini flower arrangement decor, and they're both quick, simple, and easy. And if this is a project that you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching and let's get right into it. The lighting gives it such warmness in any room, bathroom, bedroom, guest room, or even if you wanted to use it for a nice little simple dinner event, it's also good for that as well. It's really simple and is really cute, very elegant, very soft. So lighting is optional. You don't have to choose the lighting, but the lighting just gives it that warm feel. So that's why I chose to use the lighting in this project, to let you see how warm it does feel when you add the light. Let's move on to project number 2. Originally, we were doing the sea glass, sea foam, but it wasn't really true to color once we sprayed it onto the charger. So change it to a soft rose gold. If you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we upload a video. Until next time, may God bless you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.